Hello ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be talking about our ozone layer. My name is Daniel Riley. So the sun releases two forms of ultraviolet rays. These are UVA and UVB rays. These rays are constantly beating down on our planet and are harmful to just the environment and people in general. And the only thing protecting us from these rays are a thin layer of protection called the ozone layer. Without this layer, we would be in a bad place as a whole globe, because according to the EPA, UVB rays cause skin cancer and cataracts, which is a clouding of the lens of the eye, which is not healthy. And it also is not good for plants either, because it releases UVB radiation and plant disease, which makes the food unedible. So after hearing this, do you not believe that something could be done about our ozone, not just at a national level, but at a global level? And in this speech, I'll be talking to you guys about the causes of ozone depletion, some solutions and benefits and consequences of our actions. So our ozone is depleted by two main substances. They are CFCs and HCFCs. These CFCs are broken down in the atmosphere, and when they're broken down, these chlorine atoms can destroy up to 100,000 good ozone atoms. Along with those other ozone depleting substances called methyl bromide and halons, which are found in fire extinguishers and pesticides, are 60 times more deadly to the ozone than these simple CFCs and HCFCs. They destroy 6 million good ozone layers. So even though 190 countries have made major strides to reduce these ozone depleting substances, something has to be done at a global level to completely eliminate these. New technology should be developed in refrigerants and AC units and in solvents and aerosols and cans, which will allow for these products to not be harmful to our environment. And also the method of use for the removal of these CFCs needs to be reestablished, and I have a statement here from the EPA. The EPA coordinates numerous regulatory programs designed to help the ozone layer and continue to be active in developing international ozone protection policies. Individuals can also help primarily by ensuring that technicians working on air conditioning and refrigerants equipment are certified by the EPA, that refrigerants are recaptured and not released, and be educated themselves about the issue of ozone depletion. And also another way to help is to make sure that the products you're buying are environmentally friendly. Most aerosol cans nowadays have slogans on them saying ozone safe, environmentally safe, or something along those lines. And almost all new air-conditioned refrigerants today come in the manual. They have a number you can call, which will allow a technician to come out and take away the AC or refrigerant and recycle it in a proper manner. And right now I have a short video to show you guys about ozone holes.
Ozone is the Earth's natural sunscreen. It screens ultraviolet radiation. If there's less ozone, more UV radiation gets to the Earth. If there's more ozone, less UV radiation gets to the Earth's surface. There are a few ingredients to the Antarctic ozone hole. The first ingredient is you have to have very high levels of chlorine and bromine. In fact, if you made a measurement now, you'd find that about 80% of the chlorine over Antarctica is from human-produced compounds, chlorofluorocarbons, and halides. The second ingredient is you have to have very cold temperatures. Over Antarctica, about 10 miles up or so, it gets extremely cold. And in those cold conditions, you form fairly exotic clouds, what we call polar stratospheric clouds.
So if something isn't done, these holes will be developed in more places than just Antarctica, and these places will be where people are inhabited and plants are inhabited, so as to be effective to everyone's health. So each year for the past few decades during the South Hemisphere spring, chemical reactions involving chlorine and bromide cause ozone in the southern pole region to be destroyed rapidly and severely, according to Paul Newman. That's the guy you just seen in the video. And if these things are not kept under control, as I said, this would affect humans. And according to the EPA, if all ozone-depleting substances were eliminated now, by the year 2050, the ozone would be completely fine because through natural processes it would rebuild. So now you're saying, what can I do to help? You can make sure the products you're buying are ozone-friendly and that they're not affecting the environment. And if something should be done about the way we treat our environment, or consequences will follow, even worse. And what this means for all of us is that if this is not done, then all life on Earth can be completely extinct if it got that bad. So let's all go green.
Yeah.